Hello, people. My name is Philip Chenevert. Yes, it is. And I'm bringing you Why Do We Say That? Which is looking at some words and phrases that we use all the time, and we, of course, have no idea where they came from, or we don't care. But I care. Yes, I do. Okay. My son sent me a text this morning and said that his son had a daughter. Okay, so he's a grandfather, and I'm a great grandfather. So, but the phrase he used that I found interesting was, "Yes, I have a brand spanking new granddaughter," and the word, of course, is brand spanking new. Eh. Um, that means new, very new, and I'm sure she is. She's only like a day old. So, where did they come from? Well, the word brand been around. It's an old English word from probably the 13th century. It comes from the word brand, meaning a torch. And by connection, it was used to say brand was anything coming out of the furnace, the fire, the hearth. Like you're making something with iron and you hammer on it, it's hot, it's red hot, coming out of the fire, the brand. It's steaming, it's hot. And that was where it originally came from. Well, obviously, manufacturers of wine, they made it. They had these big casks, and they started burning their name into it. From the vineyard of whatever back in the 15th century. They would take the iron, hot iron, and it would brand. This comes from my vineyard on the slopes of Sicily. So the association was easy to make from something, a burning thing, to a brand, meaning this belongs to us. This is our wine, or this is our olive oil, or this was my salted beef. They'd put it mostly in the casks and they would brand them. So now when you use brand for what brand running shoes do you use, or what brand soap, the brand is associated with that. The brand was who made it, where does it come from? Now, the brand spanking new. Spanking is a relatively new word. It entered several centuries after that. But I think, I'm pretty sure, when a new baby is born, the old stereotype used to be that the midwife would have to hold the baby up by the legs and spank them on the behind to get them breathing. They would, of course, they're breathing through the umbilical cord. So you got to get that little girl or boy breathing, and all of a sudden you spank them and they go, and they take their first breath. So brand spanking new means pretty darn new. So I am a great grandfather. Yes, I am. So that's it. Brand spanking new. Use that phrase. I give it to you freely. Everybody will know exactly what you're talking about. Or you can just say brand new, which means it's coming right out the fire. Brand spanking new. This is Phil Chenevert, and I feel brand spanking new myself. Although nobody spanked me recently. Okay, I'm not complaining. Okay, bye-bye. Have fun and stay brand spanking new. Who knows what word is next?